Well, firstly, it was because building services is quite often underrepresented in universities across the UK. And I'm a local guy, grew up in Kirkham, so just down the road. And the part-time building services degree at UCLan fitted my needs, fitted in around full-time work, and it gave me the qualifications I needed to progress in the industry. So the building services degree at UCLan often had trips overseas to North America. We followed the ASHRAE Winter Convention. Now, ASHRAE is the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. And so we got to discover Orlando, Chicago and Los Angeles during my time here while studying as well. And it was just an opportunity not to be missed. So I'm a mechanical engineer, I'm a chartered engineer. The degree at UCLan in building services enabled me to develop that career, and I started in commercial building services, and now find myself in district heating and district cooling. Well, I started working for a company in Preston, local mechanical contractors in Preston, and that led me to discover building services as a career. And it was real good grounding into healthcare, estates management, into commercial and military sectors. And from there I went on to work for an international construction company, still working in building services in the built environment. So that opened up new avenues in the highly technical pharmaceutical industry, and I found myself working on some of the leading technical and pharmaceutical laboratories all over the UK, again with a building services application. And from there I worked in small consultancies all over the Northwest until finally working for Vital Energy. Just over 5 years ago I started with them and progressed now to Associate Design Director, again looking at some of the major contracts in the UK at the moment. Battery power station, lots of universities, again healthcare sector, trying to bring low carbon solutions and lowering energy bills to estates all over the UK. There's something different every day. Every day brings new challenges. It's not the mundane. 20 years now in the industry, with probably the same if not more to come. But the thought of another 20 years in the industry still excites me. It's interesting. New technologies emerging all the time, new ways to bring about low carbon energy solutions to people. It really is blank canvas work that we're doing, and it's exciting and rewarding and challenging. Professionally, probably becoming chartered engineer. There is a natural development for engineers as they gather experience, as they develop their career, and chartered engineering, achieving the status of chartered engineer is probably something that most engineers aspire to. And so to accomplish that and to be a member of the Chartered Institute of Building Services Engineers was excellent. It really was a career milestone. The time at UCLan gives you a good foundation. 4 years part-time on the BEng and then a further 2 years on the MSc. Academic qualifications are, well, they're a necessity for any engineer. And then that foundation that we all got during our time at UCLan, and to build on that and to move forward and to get into industry and to start and develop a career, time at UCLan was just invaluable. More of the same, hopefully to continue to grow the team over at Vital Energy, to continue being one of the leaders in district energy in the UK, and to carry on doing the good work that we've established and the good reputation that we've already got. Advice for graduates: work hard. Don't let BEng be the end, or BA, or whatever qualification that you've done. Don't let that be the end. Stick around, continue studying, continue to invest your time in education, whether it be formal or informal. Feed the knowledge, read, revise, view, talk, discuss. The more questions you can ask, the better. Never stop asking questions. Every day is a school day. It sounds like a cliche, but keep learning. Keep learning.